is being recorded.
Ay po mawala nitong parang screen sharing natin. Natatakpan na yung ano.
Yung ano?
Para may lumalabas po na window, paano po matanggal? You are screen sharing, is papakita ng screen. Hello. Ayun yung umalis.
Josh. Yan. Wala na.
Hindi na wala. Hindi ko maklik naman.
Ayun, naboblock yung screen ninyo.
Yan, okay na yan, Josh.
Okay. Pero ano, hindi ko man ma-move.
Bitawan mo lang, Josh. Okay na. Okay na yan, Josh. Okay na.
Aba.
Ano nangyari?
Your screen share is loading. Ayun, natanggal.
Start share, no.
Naka-load.
Okay.
Okay na ba?
Sige. Figure shows. The coordinates of P.
Why is the double you call double?
X.
Double.
Y equals square root of X. Okay, X equals kailangan kong yung computation ko. So 1, 1, and then 2, 0, tapos 0 to 1 plus ginawa mo lang na ano, yung triangle. And then 7 over 6 or 1/6.
Familiar cell.
Okay. Sige, yung next. So, kung pareho lang naman ang ginawa tayo. Y6. Okay. So naipit between the two areas. Okay. B1. Sige. So, 10 and 2/3. Okay. The coordinates of the points of intersection. X is 1, -2, y. So 1, 0, and 2, -3. Tapos, hindi mo siya sinusulat as a single integral na lang. Kasi, function above minus function below, integral from x equals -2 to 1 yan eh.
Hindi yata po.
Kesa yung ihiwalay mo yung ganito. Hindi, pakita ko sa iyo yung setup ko. Kasi yun yung point ng discussion na you can set it up as a single integral. Wait. Kunin ko na yung phone ko.
Facebook.
Yes.
Kesa yung hinihiwalay mo yung tapos may ano yan eh. Kung merong isang geometry fact na kunin ko na yung picture.
Alam ko.
So yung area niya, parang I think Cavalier's principle ba yun? Parang similar yung itsura niya eh.
Yung parang splinit na po.
Kasi pag ganyan, positive definite talaga yung makukuha mong sagot dahil yung difference in y, hindi, ganito, parang pwede mong isipin na bakit difference in y dx? Kasi yung difference in y, yan yung height. So parang ginagawa mo dyan ay in-split mo into rectangles na hindi on the same level.
What? So basically parang sideways Rayman.
Mm. So, kaya diretso na yung top minus bottom and then integrate. Nasa discussion yan eh. So, hindi mo na kailangan pahirapan yung sarili mo dun sa na nagsasubtract ka ng pero ano dyan, kailangan mo yung graph kasi pag wala akong graph, hindi mo alam kung ano yung nasa ibabaw at kung ano yung nasa ilalim. So, walang iwan. Kaya kita mo, pinoprovide nila yan. Or kung hindi provided, you have to do the graph.
Yun yung pinaka-painstaking po na process. Doing the graph.
Anyway, yeah. So, okay. So, ang makukuha, 9.5 or 4.5. Okay. Sige. Number 3.
Number 3.
Tapos ano, yung gusto kong i-compute, use that method to compute yung area ng A. Yung difference above minus below integral. And then, para madali yung computation ng B. Kasi yung sa B, di ba, mag-aano ka pa niyan eh. Parang 2 integrals yun eh, or integral plus a triangle. So get A first. So P is 0.15. Q is 3.9. R is, okay, 15 over 2.0 or 7.5. Okay, so kumpitin mo, ang gusto kong gawin mong method dito, compute A first.
Auto-complete A, the question.
Above, di ba yung ano, above minus below, and you integrate that. So yung above is 15 minus 2x. Yung below, y equals x squared. So 15 minus 2x minus x squared integral.
The Gaussian quadrature. What? Okay. 0.
To, tapos yung x coordinate ng q, which is 3. Minus 2x. And again, ito, i-ano mo siya. Huwag mo munang i-combine as a single thing. Pakita mo lang now, 15 minus 2x quantity minus x squared. Kasi it's more readable pa paano nangyari yan eh.
Totoo. Insanity. Yay!
Okay.
Okay, nice. So, wait.
Tapos yung B, yung triangle minus A.
Imagine one day we'll introduce po the ano tawag doon, the area bounded by a sine wave, parabola and a hyperbola.
May mga ganung problems sa ano, sa TC7.
Oh no, lethal.
So, huwag ka mag-alala. Pag nag-Math 21 equivalent ka, ayun. Kasi ano yan may mga applications pa nga, volume of revolution pa eh. Pero nasa ano yun sa Singapore curriculum, nasa H2 math yun, which is senior high school. Sa Pilipinas, some senior high schools meron nun, pero Math 21, yung first calculus ng UP.
Bakit po sa Singapore, they teach everything in senior high school? But here, kailangan po hanggang college pa.
Hindi naman they teach everything there. Kasi, ano lang, I think ano yun mas okay lang kasing education system nila eh. Although ang ano nga lang sa kanila, medyo pressure cooker rin yung ano nila kasi exam based lahat eh. Tapos rankings, importante yung rankings.
When the grades are being handed over and then your grade po is 99.9, you failed.
Hindi. It's more of, hindi siya yung absolute grading scale kasi it's relative grading. So, kahit na magaling ka, kung lahat ng iba, mas magaling sa'yo.
Oh no.
Pero kasi hindi ka masyadong magaling, pero
that is the sadness.
hindi masyadong magaling yung mga contemporaries mo. Magaling ka pa rin po, no?
Ano siya kasi yung opportunities para pumasok ng university based sa exam rankings eh. Kaya ang hirap eh. Okay, 12 is to 13. Okay.
Oh, nice. Catch the curves. Oh no, what? Have I prepared a graph for this?
Dapat alam mo yung...
It's not hard enough. It's like something. Meron naman akong ginawa. Okay, nice. So ano po, I just found out na pwede niyo po i-move to ng konti or something kami. It reveals the graph portion of it. Well, it leaves you with the whiteboard. Nice. Ay, what happened? Expand lang. There. How much kayong gagamitin mo? Ito. Para sine sa taas, cosine sa baba. Yan. Okay.
Yeah. So yung mga kawawa, yung mga yung for example, galing ka ng Pilipinas, tapos for some reason or other, nag-migrate kayo to Singapore.
Mabibigla po, no?
Oo. 2 years ang behind ka eh.
Bro.
Kung yung 2 years behind or 1 year behind, that's assuming na kasama na sa best schools ka na sa Pilipinas.
Yung sa best schools, yes, sir. Pero kung hindi ka pa sa best schools po, lalo na po, no?
Oo.
Para si Joshua po, nag-seek in siya kasi dito sa mga...
Super stressed daw po sila and yet it's just the quarterly. Medyo basic naman lang po yung quarterly.
Sobrang dali po yung tinuturo po eh.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya thank you very much po sir for teaching Joshua po. Mahirap mag-rely po sa schools lang yun po.
Hindi, tsaka rin kasi, yung problema rin, kailangan din kahit na gusto mong paggawa yung mga mas mahirap na problems at exercises. Kung hindi pa ready yung students, and pagpasok ng university, ang daming students na gano'n, nagmumukha kang masama eh.
Opo. Kaya malilabel po na terror na po.
Mm-hmm. Pero ang actual na nangyayari, may problema lang talaga sa prerequisites.
Kaya nga po. Lalo na ngayon siguro pong nag-pandemic na po. Bagong
Teka, bakit ini-sketch mo yung on two different graphs yung sine at saka cosine.
What? I just realized. I could have done it on the same graph. Oh,
Hindi kasi gagamitin mo yan eh. Kasi tingnan mo yung problem. Calculate the area region enclosed by the curves and the x-axis.
Oh,
And then the y-axis.
I interpreted po as calculate the area enclosed by each curve, but maybe it should be by the curves, both of them at the same time.
So merong curve na ang sides ay y-axis, sine x, at saka yung isa naman yung cosine of x. So kailangan mo tayo i-graph sila on the same graph. And then label mo yung regions.
Okay, so the plan is green. Label the axis. Yung pinaka worst po na troll dito sa mga sa mga graphs is you label na po yung sa taas in the upwards direction x and then label the downwards direction y. Ultimate joke. Everybody will fail them.
May mga non-standard na ano eh. Di ba sa yung convention na ginagamit sa math, yung typical, yung abscissa, yung yung x-axis, yan yung domain ng function. Tapos yung y, yan yung range. May situations sa physics na babalik na rin yung dalawa eh.
Why? Bakit po? Is there a reason?
Maganda lang issue ka ng graphs at may way to interpret it kasi na na in-term present kasi. So, ang ginagamit na y-axis time. Tapos x-axis yung position.
Tama pala. I need to bring out my artistic spirit for once. Okay. Medyo ano yung...
Yan. Okay na yan. Sketch lang naman eh.
Okay, so what?
At nandiyan lang naman yan para ma-label mo yung regions. Okay, ano dyan yung enclosed by the curves and the x-axis?
Curves and the x-axis. Okay, label. Yellow or white. I don't know. Yellow. Curves and the x.
Nagamit mo na ba yung A and B?
Hindi pa mo.
So, capital A. Tawagin mong... So, i-label mo yung sa loob na A.
Sa loob na A. Okay, so this is...
Or B. Whichever is appropriate. Okay, so yan yung bound by the curves and the x-axis. Call that area A. Parang nagmamatch dun sa sim. And then yung natira, yung B.
Red. Natira yung B. Okay, wait. How do I define this? The question.
Okay, nasa yung curves. Ganito, hanapin mo muna yung y-axis.
Y-axis. Okay, the y-axis is here. Okay.
So boundary yung kasama sa boundary yung y-axis. Tapos boundary din yung curve o yung dalawang curves.
Okay. Boundary, dalawang curves. Oh, this one. Okay, yes, yes. The hmm. It looks much better. Oh, nice. This is B. Okay. So calculate the area of blah blah blah. Okay, nice. So something. This red and then this will be this will good white. Yes, okay. So this is E. Ew, disgusting. This will be for B. Mm, above and what below? Above and below. Does not even apply.
Teka,
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I will call it deconstruct. Yes, like that. Okay, something. Pen.
so kailangan mo yung intersection point, no?
There. I need that. And then this is yes. So the intrinsically both red and yellow. Okay, so A and B. The intersection, the intersection in black.
Bigyan mo pangalan yan, like P, capital P, yung point na yan. Para pag ni-describe mo yung situation. Okay.
R.
Or sige, R.
Wait, what? Calculate P. P is when sine x is equal to. Oh, this should be a rather trivial question, but I don't know. Sine x is equal to sine x.
Teka, divide mo yung sine by cosine. Anong lalabas?
Divide the sine by cosine. Oh, yes. Okay. So, tangent. So, tangent x is equal to 1. So, therefore, x is equal to pi over 4. And then y is equal to any sine pi over 4. Let's see. Square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so therefore, P stop. Okay, there. P is pi over 4. 2 over 2. Okay. B is equal to the maybe I should put it
Oops.
square root 2. Hindi na pala bawal lagay dito. Okay. Square root of 2 over 2. Then this is pi over.
Okay, so that's so yung area ng B is what integral?
It's a sum of two integrals.
Teka, B yan, di ba?
Abo.
So, di ba above minus below?
Above minus below. What is above? What is below? Above minus below.
So, yung nasa taas is cosine.
cosine po yun sa taas? I mean,
Tapos yung below is sine.
so the one that is concave downwards is below.
Hindi, ganito. Sige, teka ha. Connect ko lang, i-share mo na ang screen para ma-explain ko yung yung bakit above minus below.
Hindi lang po yun eh. Yung what is above and what is below.
Yung cosine yung above.
Bakit po? Why is it the one above? Not
Okay, tingnan mo yung graph.
cosine is that the blue one. Above, below. So kahit na yung combined area po na A over B, the B itself is still cosine minus sine.
So integral of cosine minus sine. Tapos from 0 to pi over 4. Yeah.
Kung ano naman po, yung A, which one is above and which one is below? They are symmetrical.
Ang problema sa kanya, ang problema sa A, if you want to use yung above minus below, kailangan mo i-split yung integral into two parts. 0 to pi over 4 and then pi over 4 to pi over 2.
Well,
teka, nawawala yung stylus ko. Okay. So, game na. So, share ko yung notepad ko.
ano po kasi yung,
So,
ano po yung program name po ng notepad nito?
Xornal. Ito, suot ko.
Yes. Kasi inana ko po kasi Notepad ba? Something. Ang journal pala tapos yung X yung na ano.
Okay. So, let's say meron tayong dalawang functions. Let's call this f. And then, may isa na, let's say ito, g. Tapos, ito yung limits of integration. So, sketch ko lang. So, we need this area. Let's say ito yung hinahanap natin. Purple highlighter. So, let's say ito yung kailangan natin. Ayoko lang yung... Yeah. So, and then let's call this A, B. Yan yung x-coordinates. So, the idea behind bakit yung area is equal to A to B, F minus G. Ganito. Yung basis ay cut the thing into thin rectangles.
Riemann sum.
Tapos, yeah, Riemann sum.
Riemann
And then,
Riemann.
ano ba yung height na
pala
yan?
po yung nauna. Yan.
So, ito may mga rectangles tayo. So, ano ba yung height ng bawat rectangle? Yung height ng bawat rectangle is F minus G tapos times yung delta X. So,
So
ito.
F minus G and F minus G. About. So
ito.
yung functionally po yung what is over it minus yung below. Not necessarily what is over minus below, but what has the higher x coordinate and what has the low minus the one that has the lower x coordinate.
Ano? Y coordinate.
Y coordinate po.
So, y above minus y below. Kaya F minus G. Ngayon, dito sa for example, what if ang nangyari ay dito ka mag-integrate? C to B. Tapos, ang pinapahanap na area sa'yo ay, let's use a different color. Ito naman.
Tsaka pwede kaya po parang Riemann sum pero parang horizontal. Na hindi po yung dy.
Teka, anong ibig sabihin ng Riemann sum ng horizontal?
Parang mga rectangles pero horizontal po yung mga bars. Na po dx.
Yung visual details.
Hindi siya ganun define eh. May definition na parang same yung idea na cut it into slices along y. Pero hindi na siya Riemann sum. And at this stage, wala pa tayo ng tools para ma-define siya ng maayos.
No ba?
Cool yun eh. Ang tawag dun yung Lebesgue integral. Pero may mga may measure theory stuff pa yan na na medyo tricky gawin eh. So, kaya hindi yan yung usual na first integral. Usually, inaaral ng mga math majors yan, mga third year na eh. Or second year. Depende sa kung anong university. Okay, so ito, so for example, itong blue area, let's call this A, B, C, D, let's call this E. So, pag sinet up mo yung area na yan, ano yan? So, integral from C to D of
G minus F.
Okay, so G minus F.
Dx.
Yan. So, ganun. Kaya kailangan tinatrack mo eh. So, pag tinanong sa'yo, what is the area bounded by F and G and the lines x equals C and x equals B? Kailangan mo yung areas na yung buo dito. So, kailangan tinatrack mo. Kailan above yung first function, kailan below yung second. Okay, anyway, balik tayo dun sa So at least nakita mo na yung cut into rectangles is still yung basis ng bakit we can write down the area as F minus G dx. No? So let's go back to yung exercises na ginagawa mo. So stop sharing muna ako.
From what to what? From 1 to 0. Wait, from 0 to 1. Oh my god. 0 to 1. Yes. 0 to 1.
Wait, bakit ka mag-integrate from 0 to 1?
From left to right pala. Okay. Baliktad pala. 1 to 0. Ayun. So,
di ba kinakat natin pag nag-integrate tayo, ano yung gagamitin mo yung thickness ng bawat rectangle? dx or dy?
dy.
Bakit dy?
B po?
Ang binigay yung definition ay function in terms of x.
In terms of x.
Kinakat mo na rectangles.
Hindi, kala ko po gagawin po natin pag ganito yung rectangle.
Hindi nga, Josh.
Hindi, pag ganyan, kailangan mong computein. Ano yung
Hindi, pwede pala.
y?
Pero ganito po pala yung sabihin niyo. Kaya ito yung over. Yun na, nakuha ko na.
Okay na?
Iniisip ko po kasi kukuha ko pa yung inverse tapos nananin ko pa yung yung integral.
Given that it's a yellow problem, that's too much work.
Tapos tapos red, yellow problem portions na outweigh na yung red problem.
So hindi siya clue yan eh. Yung classification nila na if you're doing too much work.
Suspiciously. Blue po yung problem tapos gumawa po kayo ng mga Lebesgue integral nga po something.
Saka hindi naman sa ganun ka-cruel. Yung mga students nagreklamo na cruel kasi hindi naman
recording.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay, so ang antiderivative ng cosine ay sine. Ang antiderivative ng sine ay...
Negative.
Wait, check mo yung antiderivative.
There, I got it. I forgot the, ano again, what's that? The sign. Like literally. Almost forgot the British system. Okay. There.
Okay. So, square root of 2. Wait,
And,
bakit ganong... Teka, ang laki ng tinalon. Recheck mo yung calculation mo dyan. Yung sa... wait. Check ko lang. Hindi.
siguro
wait,
check niya po yung A.
So, square root of 2 minus 1. Teka, kinalculator mo ba siya or did it by hand?
Nakasolve na mo. Pinalculator ko.
O, sige.
What happened? With the glitch. Okay, there. Okay. So
Okay,
this happened. Ito pala po yung nangyari. Ay, what? What happened? Okay na lang pala siya. Okay. So,
Sige. So, A naman.
Bangit. I'll just write in its native color. A equal the square root of what over what? What's the above and what's the below? Fraction ko lang kaya po into 2.
Hindi. Talagang kailangan mong i-cut into 2 parts yan. Kasi yung 0 to pi over 4, iba yung above at yung below.
What's by the gen?
Iba yung above. Diba if you look at A, yung above is sine.
Abo. And then, plus,
Plus, yung pi over 4 naman, 2 pi over 2.
I wonder what will come out of this. Why is my pi so bad? It was like, before po, it was the super best na pi. Now it's downgraded. Hindi ko na po siya maintindihan minsan.
Okay, tapos pakita mo lang kung ano yung values na nakuha mo for each.
The values that I got for each. Value that I got for each. Thank you. Nice. So apparently
Square root of 2 over 2 minus...
there.
Okay, so... Sige, so 2 minus square root of 2 units square. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung next problem.
The next problem.
15d5. Oh, that's nice.
The tangent at... Okay, to the curve, blah, blah, blah. Cuts the x-axis at point Q. Okay, and prove that the x-coordinate of Q is 5 half. Derivative, yes. derivative and then find the something. Okay, calculate the area of the shaded shenanigans. Okay, encompass everything daw. Okay.
Alam mo kung bakit sinabi prove that the x-coordinate of Q is this? Kasi para kahit na hindi mo magawa yan, kasi pwede kasing ibigay yung question na yan na intersects at the point Q. And then, walang bibigyan, ikaw nang bahala mag-figure out ano yung x-coordinate. Kailangan mo yun eh. So dyan, kahit na hindi mo magawa yung part 1, para at least kahit may magagawa ka pa sa part 2.
Dapat,
Kaya
dapat,
ganyan.
dapat po, hindi po nilalagay para if you make a mistake in Q, it is your fault. You lose the entire problem.
Hindi. I think ano yun eh. Yung mahirap kasi yung all or nothing eh. Hindi mo na-test kung ano yung natutunan ng student o hindi. So gusto mo lang na may parts na, okay, pag ito alam niyang i-set up, ito pwedeng pumalya.
Nice. Okay. So the d something, what? Yes, dy dx pala. There's no equation given. The y and x intercept when y equals 0. Something is terribly wrong. Okay, so wait. So the slope.
Ito,
I'm just calculating for the slope. Okay. So when x equals 1, dy dx, the slope equal to is equal to -2. Okay, yes.
okay.
And then
So, ano yung equation ng PQ?
yes, the slope intercept form. Okay, so 3 equals -2x minus 1 y minus, so y minus 3 is 3. So therefore y equals -2x minus plus 2 minus plus 5. Okay, there plus it. Okay. So when y equals 0, when e equals 0, y equals 0, -2x plus 5. Therefore, x equals -5, so 5 over 2, 2.5. There, okay. Brain damage. This is correct, I think.
Okay.
Yes, that's correct. This equal to 5 times. I forgot they already gave it. So 2, I calculate area. Okay, wait. So above minus, oh wait, above. Okay, green line is considered above, I guess. Oh wait, no. It's just the difference in the integrals. Okay, what is this? That's the question. What is this? Okay, so the x-intercept. X-intercept
Actually, may two ways para i-set up yan eh. So, explain, pick one, tapos
I have gone the way of existing. Okay, so this is 2, nice. Okay, so therefore, what is this? This is 1. Yes. Yeah, this. And this one is 5 times. Very, very large discrepancy in scaling of the figure.
mhm.
How come the graphics designers did not see this? Okay, so
Ano yan eh? Sketch, yung mga ganyan talaga intentionally designed na
intentionally
hindi tama.
misleading.
Na, kasi, pag ginagawa mo yan in practice, ganyan din yung ano eh. Hindi mo kailangan talaga yung na maayos yung scale eh. Yung important features lang, ano yung above, ano yung below, saan nag-intersect sa x-axis.
Tama.
Okay, so ano yung strategy mo? Anong area yung
Triangle minus parabola integral.
Pwede
Okay.
kasing ano yan eh. Yung blue area, pwede mong gawin na dalawang integrals.
But why will I do that integral po? That is crazy. Okay, so 3, and then the other one is 3 halves. I mean, I guess, okay. Minus the integral from...
Hindi, yeah. Huwag kang dumiretso na ganyan. Explain what exactly you're doing.
Oh, this red triangle minus integral of the
Bigyan mo yung pangalan. Like, yung point na 1, 0, call that, so meron kang PQ, call that R.
1, 0. 1, 0.
So X is 1, Y is 0. Call that R.
Okay, so PQR.
So we have triangle PQR.
And then this one is... This is whatever this is. This is the integral. Sige. This is the integral. Okay, so...
Hindi, bigyan mo ng pangalan ulit. PQR, call S yung ano.
How will you say that? How will you say the figure PRS?
Yeah, PRS.
Wala pong special symbol.
Oo.
Sad life. Okay, there. Equals. Laptop is falling. Four minus x squared, 2 and 1. What is ano again? What is this again? Is equal to 4x minus x cubed over 3. 2 is to 1. The 1 is to 2. Why is 2 is to 1? 1 to 2. Okay, so this one is 5/3. 3 halves minus 5/3. 9. Di bato para po. 712 units squared. No.
Okay.
Okay, solve again.
Sige. Okay. Ito yung last natin for today. Yung number... So we're done with 5. So number 6.
I'm gonna string. Oh, I left an extra page. Nice. Lucky. Okay, so the figure shows part of the curve, blah blah blah. And then imagine this is tilted. How I wish Jamboard has a tilting, tilting. Oh, that's it? That's the question. Oh yeah. There, it's a tilting function. Okay, I will copy it. So this is here. Kopya. Oh, booyah. There's a to Di bato marabo. I'm transported back to algebra. 4y minus y squared. When x equals 3. Y is okay, so that's funny.
Okay. So,
It's exactly 4.
so label mo na lang yung ano.
Continue. Okay, there. 4. Q. Q is the intersection. Ah, nice. Y is equal to X. Ha ha ha. Nice. Okay, so when Y is equal to 4Y minus Y squared. Nice. What a steal. Okay. So 0 is equal to what for Q. And then you write 4. Who?
Teka. So yung sa nauna mong ginawa, lagay mo na for P to find the coordinates of P.
To find. To find. To find. To find. Y is equal to 3. And then equal to 0. Oh, wait, that's it. So Y is equal to 3. 3. 3. Christmas tree. And then 0. Where is that? Oh, this one. Okay.
Mm.
So the X coordinate is... Oh, wait, I need the coordinate. So X is equal to 0. There, ha. P 0, 4. You cannot treat me anymore, Shingi. Wait. X is equal to... Wait, what's X equal to? 4. Oh, wait. X
Ano
is
yung,
equal to 3. I forgot this on the same line. Nice.
okay.
Oh,
So Q has coordinates.
okay. Area of the shaded region. Above minus below. Wait, what's above? What is above? Is there an above? I don't think there is. There. Split. Now this is 4. And this is what? What's the X of this? This is 3. So. What is my plan again? Okay. So 3, 3. Oh, no. Mali. This is 3. Okay. And that is 4. This is 3. This is 4. Yes, okay. So the area of something, what is it given a name? Yes, PQO. Area of PQO. Q. Integral.
Teka, yung PQO, that's yung triangle, di ba?
Aba. Oh. 4 to 3 or 3 to 4? 3 to 4. Sige, 3 to 4. Pataas yan. Negative kung baba. Okay. So, of 4y minus y squared.
So,
Minus Why did I do another integral? 1/2 BH. 3 rin. Fix 1/6 unit square. There.
Teka, 2y square minus y cube over 3. Okay. Sige. So, tuloy natin to. So, yung next problem, yung D7 onwards, ituloy natin sa Sunday. Tapos, yun na yan. Sige. Yung sa Sunday, so, ang agenda lang natin ay matapos yung chapter 15. Yung chapter 16, kailangan nating pag-usapan muna before we do the problems kasi may mga definitions na may difference in definitions kasi nagagamit sa physics at saka sa book. Explain ko lang yung difference para pag nag-physics ka may carry over. Kasi yung part na yun,
May technically po, this kinematics was already physics. Nice.
So, kaya ano yun yung part na, yung chapter 16 is actually yung beginnings ng kinematics. And then, yung pag nag-physics ka, yung first month or so is just devoted to yung constant acceleration. Yung book, nagbibigay ng cases na hindi constant yung acceleration. Anyway, so we'll stop here and then we'll continue on Sunday. So yung so agenda, tuloy lang tapusin yung 15D, and then yung challenge yourself 1 pakigawa.
Hindi na po yung
So
2. Yung challenge yourself 1 po, mali ba po yung graph?
Ignore the graph. Hindi, 1 and 2 1 and 2 pala. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll see you again on Sunday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye po.
Thank you po. End meeting.